It's one scuba, and today I'm gonna show you how to scramble a cube based on a timer, right? So okay, so first you're gonna hold this position, which is green in front of you and yellow on white on top, and R we go like that, goes up, R prime will go down. So and U will go here, your left, U prime will go like right, and L will go down, L prime will go back up, and V will go to your right, and V prime go to your left, and F you do like that, you go to your right, and F prime will go to your left, and B will go to your left. This is B. Okay, you can't see it. B and B prime goes to here, go to the right. So let's get started and follow the scramble as shown here. So R2, L2, F2, U, L2, D, R2, and then L, B prime comes to here, comes to your right, then R2, and L prime, B2, D2, B2, R, D2, L, F2, L. So, and now let's check the color scheme, which is so first one got correct, and green side you got correct too, and the red side also correct, and blue side also correct, and orange side also correct, and the yellow one also correct. So you got correct scramble. So you can solve the cube. So I solve one. Oh, okay, that was the solve. So I think that was kind of bad solve. So that's all for the video, and see you in the next video.